happening with your neck?
I have some cervical problem here, and it makes me like headache as well sometimes.
Okay. Which area? The whole head
here,
or just on?
Just on the sides.
Both sides. Okay, both sides. Okay.
Yeah.
And where do you feel the pain on the cervical?
Here, just here.
So
Part. And
so toward the arms and also on the shoulders.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. We have a compression of the nerve. This is the yellow side.
Okay.
And we will make a unlocked side manipulation. So you will see everything now. No pain, no worries. Okay, you can take off your shorts and you can come here. Yes. Let's take just a test. A bending test. So bend forward, bend in front of you to not be getting around.
Yeah.
Okay, you can come back. Okay, good. Just to check the where we will work. Yes.
Okay.
Face up, please. Lie on your back. Okay. Don't be afraid.
No.
Pain. Okay, let's start from the hip, the right one. Please turn the side.
Okay.
Okay. I'm gonna check your dorsal spine, and then we will check the lumbar area. Let's start from here. Good. Okay, breathe. Okay, exhale and relax. Drop your body. Cool.
Cool.
Just the beginning.
Okay.
Okay. Now, don't help me. I can go ahead the hip. Relax. Okay, more relaxed. Drop your legs. Good. Perfect. Face up. Is it your first time?
Yeah, it is.
Yes?
Yeah.
Okay, so
it's strange,
strange
but it's nice.
Don't help me. Good. One more. Okay. Last one. More relaxed. Okay. Good. Please turn this side. Yes, this side. Okay. Don't help me. Drop your head. Lascia vedere la testa. Bravissimo. Abbandonato. Good.
Oh.
Okay. This is a hard technique, not easy.
I can imagine.
Yes. Now, face up, please. Hold your neck. Yes. Okay. Don't touch it. Relax. Good. Other side. Relax. Are you okay?
Yeah. Okay, I'm very fine.
Yes.
Actually.
I'm making a postural adjustment, and we are reaching the
Problems.
yes and the goal of the cervical, so we are riding. Don't help me. Relax. Good. One more. Good. Perfect. Come a little downward.
Yeah.
Okay. A little more. Okay. Turn this side, please.
Yeah.
Good. Once again, relax your head. More relaxing, more relaxing. Good. Let me check a little the upper side of the lumbar spine. Good. Great. Okay, drop your body. Good. Good, very good.
I never heard this sound before from my body.
Just from the video. Okay, don't help me. I prepare you to make the last technique on the hip. And we are almost ready to work on the neck. Relax, relax, drop your legs. Good. Perfect. Face up. Very good.
After this, I'm gonna grow up.
Yes. You will fly like a butterfly. Okay. Okay. It's okay, it's okay. Relax, don't help me. Okay, good. So many things to practice.
Yeah.
You are discovering new things,
Yeah.
new joints. Okay. Now, face down, please.
Yeah.
Yes, stay on your elbows. Yes. Now, relax your head. Drop your head. Okay. Not helping. Don't contract your muscle. Okay. Good. Very good. Other side. Drop your head. Okay. Don't help me. More relaxed. Yes. Relax. 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 More relaxed. Okay. Good. Good. Perfect. Now, stretch your arms. Okay. Don't help me. Okay. Now, hold the edge, please. Yes. More here on the edge. Yes, be careful. Okay, good. Looks like if you're breaking your hip.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Like if
Yes.
4 horses.
Yes. It's similar broken bone, but no risk. Help me. One more. Hold strongly. Yes, stronger. Yes. Wow. Now, face up, please. More relaxed? Yes, perfect.
Oh, wow.
Okay, don't help me. More relaxed? Yes. Wow, perfect. Good. Turn the head on this side. Good. Let's shift the jaw. Lasciala scivolare. Brava. Morbida, morbida. Ok. Relax. Okay. I have to work on sitting position, so please turn on this side. Now I will work on the jaw starting from the sitting position, so it's a similar but different technique. Okay, now try to make free your your jaw. Yes, relax. Don't help me. Good. Yes, release the muscles. Good. More relaxed. Yes. One more, relax. Oh, finally. We got it. Good. Yes, wasn't easy.
Yeah, it's not easy to relax
Yes,
this part.
I need to change some techniques depending on the patient and some locked joints, so I have to find the best way to go. Now, don't help me. Yes, more relaxing. Good. One more. Relax, don't worry. Relax your hand. Good. Release your muscles. Drop your hand. Yes. Wow. Once more. Okay. Good. Drop your body like if you had a chair behind on your chair. So relax.
Okay. You want chair?
Yes, I'm a chair now. Relax. Don't help me. More relax with your head. Good. Try to relax more. Good. Perfect. More relaxed. Perfect. Okay. Yes. Yes, very good. Last one. Don't help me. Yes. Drop your body. Good. Are you okay?
Yeah. That's
Okay.
fine.
How do you feel? Are you okay? Try
Yeah.
to move your some rotation, some bending.
Oh wow.
It's free?
Yeah. The back as well. I can stay up because
yes.
yeah.
Different posture.
Before
Yes.
it was really hard to do it.
Okay, so don't you feel pain now? It's,
No.
it's much better.
No. Yeah. Behind
Okay.
as well.
Yes, let's take just 1 or 2 days for the inflammation, but
It will
going to
be
improve more,
much
yes,
better, I
much
think.
better. Generally, we say goodbye to our fans,
Yeah,
making
sure.
a little crack like this. So 1,
Okay,
2, 3, crack.
Bye.
Bye bye.